Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I will be doing a cash stuffing for my sinking funds with the money that I earned from my side hustles, which is Uber Eats, DoorDash, and InstaCart. If you're interested in watching this, stay tuned. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I am cash stuffing my sinking funds with the income that I earned from my side hustles, which is Uber Eats, DoorDash, and Instacart from last week. So let's go ahead and get started. This is going to be a quick one because I have a meeting that I have to jump on. So for Uber Eats, last week I made $175.42. DoorDash, I did $37.33, and Instacart, I only had one order, which was $30.46. I had to cut my time short. So the total is 175.42 plus 37.33 plus 30.46. 243.21. Okay, so I took out $243 right here, and I'm just going to put the money in the tray. Hope everyone is having a good week. It's almost a weekend. Today is Thursday. Do you guys have any plans this weekend for Father's Day? Leave a comment below. My son is a new dad. His daughter's 14 months old, and probably just do a little food and give him his gift. So let's get started with stuffing these sinking funds. Now, I was debating on if I'm going to do the full stuffing or if I'm just going to just do a minimum amount. And I think I may skip one this week. So let me get my envelopes here, and these envelopes I purchased them on Amazon. It came in this case with these budget sheets here, which I don't really use. So let's get these envelopes together. So car first, refrigerator, and then Christmas, vacation, gifts, decimal amount. Okay. Hopefully this is in focus. If not, I apologize in advance. All right. Let's see here. Okay. Oops. So first up is car maintenance, which, oh my goodness, I am fumbling. Okay. First thing is car maintenance, and car maintenance gets $30. 20 and 30. So now car maintenance has 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. Back up to 134. And I was actually going to get a car wash. And the car wash that I went to was Mr. Clean, I want to say. So I said, okay, let me get this $20 car wash. So $20 car wash just only includes the exterior wash, and you have to vacuum your own car. If you want them to vacuum your vehicle, meaning the workers that are there, it's an additional $16. Okay? So we're up to $36 for a complete car wash. And then you have to tip. So $40 for a car wash. I was like, no, thank you. I will wash my own car. I have a power washer. I can get the little nozzle to spray the soap on, wash the car off, and then I have a Dyson. I could vacuum it out myself. It may take me a little longer, but geez, $40 for a car wash? No, thank you. Okay, next up is refrigerator. So refrigerator, I am going to skip this week because I want to knock out some debt. Next up is Christmas, and Christmas gets $25. So it's 20 and 5. So now Christmas has 20, 40, 40, 60, 80, 120, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 200, 10, 20, 30, 35, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. $250. I am halfway there. Yay. $250. Okay. I want to say $500 by October. That is my date, because that's usually when sales start coming up with for shopping for Christmas. And my goal is $500, and that's it. I'm not going over anymore. So it's $250. Next is vacation. A vacation is getting $25. That's 20 and 5. So now vacation has 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 200, 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. $245. Okay, do any of you have plans for vacation during the summer? Leave a comment below. I'm thinking of going to, I want to be on someone's beach. I'm just so ready to be on someone's beach. And I'm thinking I'll just go to Florida. I mean, flights are kind of ridiculous. Then I do have to take into consideration we are in hurricane season, which starts June 1st to November 1st. I grew up in Florida. I know all about them hurricanes. They are nothing to play with. So trying to plan vacation around hurricane season is a little bit difficult. So yeah, I'm still trying to figure that one out. Next up is gifts, and gifts is getting $10, and then I have to take out $21 to pay for a gift that I purchased for my son online. So add the 10, so that's 10, 20, 30, 35, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. And then I'm gonna take out 21 to go in my bank. Pay for that. Okay, so we have a total of $29. Okay, so that's it. So the remaining funds, which this will go into debt snowball, and I'm not going to count it. I'm just going to put it in the envelope, and come next week, after working this weekend, I'm going to make another debt snowball contribution, and then I'm going to make a payment, because I'm trying to make a payment prior to the end of June. So it will, trying to play the system basically, so it will calculate and capture all my accounts. And I will probably do a debt journey update by the end of this month, or beginning the first week of July. So that concludes my cash stuffing. If you have any questions about any of the side hustles that I do, please leave a comment down in the description box. I thank you for watching, and stay tuned for the next video. Bye.